Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. So today I am here with a serious topic, that is COVID-19, which is coronavirus. Okay, so I have couple of, today I'll be giving complete details about that. Yes, almost everyone knows and everyone are telling that, but then also from my side I wanted to tell you guys, so I'm telling. Okay, I am seeing from this website. This website is made by me, and yes, it is completely made by me. I'll put the link in the description box. Like, all the details are there in this website, including active cases and including active cases, symptoms, current, like latest speech of PM, finance minister, and helpline numbers and WhatsApp helpline number. Everything is there, so just don't forget to go in that link once. Okay, so I'll put the screenshot of this in, I'll here, over here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so when we start, first we have this helpline number, which when we click, the PDF will open, which has state-wise numbers. For example, if we want a Maharashtra number, then we can go over here, 14 Maharashtra, and just this is the number. You can dial the number whenever you want. So this is something, a PDF, you can even download the PDF. Okay, now the update as on time is written, like you may not get the wrong information. Okay, then you have COVID-19 cases, that is total cases 649, active cases, total deaths, total recovered, and here it is written, please stay home, stay safe. Okay, so please don't spread rumors, spread facts. Yeah, remember this. Okay, next thing, you have symptoms. Symptoms of coronavirus is fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, runny nose, pain or pressure in chest, or diarrhea in rare cases. This is what I have heard in news, and all the information are from Times of India and Government of India. So don't worry about the information. All the information is correct. Okay, next thing is that things to do to be safe from coronavirus: regular hand washing properly with hand wash and sanitizer, covering mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, that is wearing mask, avoid touching anyone, keep social distancing. Next is stay at home only, that is quarantine, which we are doing. Don't let anyone enter your home, nor let anyone leave your home if you care, obviously, because if you don't have corona, you will get corona from outside, and it's a serious disease. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Have ginger, turmeric, tulsi, orange, and everything that increase your immune system. And exercise, yoga at home. Exercise or yoga, or do yoga at home. You can refer Baba Ramdev. He is the one who gives good yoga tips. You can go on YouTube also. You'll get couple of videos on yoga plus exercise. So this will increase your immune system. And have ginger, turmeric, tulsi, orange, and all those things. I have one milk, in milk, which you can enter all this. Even in tea you can put tulsi, ginger, and all those things. So this will help you to increase your immune system. Next is how to check if you have coronavirus. Now, if don't be scared like मुझे हो गया coronavirus. No, you can check. First thing is that try stopping your breath, like stop your breath and just start your stopwatch. Check like how long you can stop your breathing. Like I can do for 1 minute 10 seconds. By practicing you can increase this, but if you can't do more than 10 seconds or more than 5 seconds, then you have coronavirus. Just go and consult the doctor. This is what Baba Ramdev said. This is not I am saying, and this is fact. This is even said by my family doctor, so it is fact. Next is that you can click on the link and check tentative if you have coronavirus or not. I have put that link in website itself. Then you have WhatsApp helpline and calling helpline. WhatsApp helpline, on WhatsApp helpline you have to type namaste and send them, and calling helpline you can directly call them. Then there is state wise details, like you can see Andhra Pradesh 11, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, and all those. Then you have this chart. Then next thing you will have is this speech of Narendra Modi, that is the latest speech on which he said 21 days lockdown. And the next thing is that Union Finance Minister latest speech, on which she said a lot of things and which is very useful. I just liked it. And at the end, it is designed by Star Princess. That is my own website, my company website. And next thing is that reference is taken by Times of India and Government of India. That's what I said already. So guys, I gave almost all the information in short. No long brief information. In short, this is it. Just take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, spread facts, don't spread rumors. That was all. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye. See you in next video.